The students of Shubkamna Academy, I hope you all are staying home, staying safe and healthy, enjoying this lockdown period with your family, doing your schoolwork and activity obediently. Students, have you ever got this feeling that this coronavirus, this tiny coronavirus, which you cannot even see from your eyes or which you cannot even feel, has changed your lives, our lives so much? Yes, it has done. Yes, it has changed our lives. We have locked ourselves at home for the safety of others and for our own survival. Almost all the countries are working day and night to produce a vaccine against this dreadful coronavirus. But till then, this COVID 19 situation will persist to continue. It will continue. It will become the new normal in our lives. When I am talking of new normal, I mean to say that whenever you go out, you will have to wear a mask. You will have to maintain a distance while talking to someone else. And the most important in your life, it is digital learning, the online learning. E-learning, online learning or digital learning. It was all fascinating earlier. But today, the ground reality is we all are studying online. When a teacher is giving you any assignment, worksheet or activity to perform, please do not consider this as a waste of time or energy. A teacher is designing such activities or assignments just to improve your thinking ability, your reasoning ability, and to channelize your energies in a positive direction. The schools, not only in India but worldwide, are closed, and during this time it has become very much challenging to keep the students busy. What can you do to keep yourselves busy during this lockdown period, so that this lockdown phase you use it efficiently and effectively? Please, number one is set up a daily routine. When a proper routine is developed, from the time you wake up to the time you sleep down, to the time you study, to have bath, have your lunch, breakfast and other things, there should be a proper daily routine. Apart from this, there should be a proper learning space at your home. I understand that every one of you do not have your own study room, but there should be a space at home where you can feel calm, composed, so that you can easily concentrate on your studies. There should be a space, an environment at your home that provides you peace, when you can easily focus on your study. This next question that arises in my mind, that when should the students sit down to study? What is the proper time, correct time to sit down and study? Few months back, I read this somewhere in Google, that these Japanese are considered to be the most intelligent people. But what policies do they follow? There is a rule that there should be no screening time for the children below the age of 12. Though this policy has been there, they have made some changes in this policy after this COVID-19, but they make the most use of natural light. They consider this artificial light as a stress and strain for brain development. Whatever mental, physical activity, studies they want their kids to do, they make the most use of sunlight, natural light. So in short, you all should sit down to study. When you wake up, have your bath and breakfast. because at that time you are neither tired but stress free. You are relaxed. Sit down at least for an hour every morning. Your school has also started this exercises and yoga online classes, and I know many of you are doing it obediently. Yoga and exercises help to keep our body and soul fit and healthy. Our Prime Minister also declared 21st June as International Yoga Day. So please follow the yoga and exercises that you all are doing, because it will help you to develop mentally and physically. Unfortunately, this 2020 has been not so good year, but you should always thank God for if your family is healthy, you have food at your home and a roof at your top. Be thankful for the hand washes, the sanitizers, and the privilege of social distancing, because many people in India cannot afford all this. The thought of being deprived of all this will make you realize how blessed you all are. We all are. Thank God every day that you are safe and with your family. Take a pledge that post COVID-19, we all will be a better versions of ourselves, with a renewed empathy towards the lesser privileged, and never forget the valuable lessons this COVID-19 taught us. Stay home, everyone. Cases are rising in your district, because जान है तो जहान है. Thank you.